Here we go, guys. My first ever POV on SpinOsauros here at Djurs Sommerland. We have ridden, I don't know, a million of these.
Yeah.
But it doesn't matter, it's fun anyway. So you can see us riding it. Depending on how I edit this video. We got rain here in Djurs Sommerland. I hope it's gonna go away. I have to say that these some parallel rides are really fun.
They are.
I love that the idea of this is that it's a dinosaur. So it's a spine here. It's a dinosaur skeleton. Then we have the T-Rex family coaster, and then we have Tigren. No, the Piraten, the pirate. Then we're done. Yeah, again, these are great rides. And the rain is very nice in my face. Yay! Wow, again, the Halloween theming in this park is just wow. Har du kul, Sara? Yay! Huh?
I need to pee.
She needs to pee. Actually. Stop the rain. Oh, this is a much more effective slowdown than at Energylandia. That one takes a long time to slow down. This does it very, very fast and effective. That's great. There you have it. That's SpinOsauros at Djurs Sommerland in Denmark.